Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You will remove a Gmail account from your Android, so act now. Make sure the phone is unlocked, charged above 20%, and on Wi-Fi or data. Open Settings, go to Accounts, then tap Google and select the specific Gmail account to remove. Once selected, check sync status and back up essential mail or contacts by exporting or syncing to local storage. This prevents lost data. Make sure you understand which account is primary before you proceed, because removing it can affect apps and backups. Now remove the account step by step. Tap Remove Account inside the Google account settings, then confirm with your device PIN, pattern, or password. If that account is set as the primary Google account, you may need to open Settings, Apps, Google Play Services Storage, and choose Clear Data to force a clean sign-out. Once done, revisit Gmail and Contacts. Force Stop or Clear Cache if remnants remain. This forces apps to refresh their account lists and prevents ghost entries from appearing. Finish by restarting the phone and returning to Settings accounts to confirm the Gmail account is gone. If the account still appears, remove the device from your Google account security page via a browser or reset app preferences in Settings to force reindexing. As a final troubleshooting tip, consider wiping the cache partition or doing a factory reset only after backing up everything. This reliably clears stubborn account data, but erases local content. Make sure you have credentials and backups.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.